When it comes to improving your Columbia property, many homeowners focus on kitchen remodels or landscaping enhancements. While these projects can be beneficial, a more affordable yet impactful way to boost property value is through door installation. Replacing or upgrading your doors can enhance curb appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase security, all of which are attractive to potential buyers and beneficial for homeowners. Here's how affordable door installation can elevate your Columbia property's value. Enhanced curb appeal and first impression. Your front door is one of the first things visitors, potential buyers, and even passers-by notice about your home. An outdated, worn, or damaged door can give the impression that your property is poorly maintained. On the other hand, a new, attractive door instantly refreshes your home's appearance and creates a positive first impression. Modern designs. Affordable door installation doesn't mean compromising on style. There are a variety of modern, stylish, and budget-friendly options available that can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal. Color and finish customization. Choose a color or finish that complements your home's exterior and adds a touch of personal style. This simple update can set your home apart from others in your Columbia neighborhood. Improved energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is a top priority for Columbia homeowners due to the area's hot summers and cooler winters. Old or poorly installed doors often allow air leaks, making it harder to regulate indoor temperatures and driving up energy costs. New energy-efficient doors create a better seal and reduce drafts, making your home more comfortable and cost-effective to maintain. Lower utility bills. Affordable door installations often come with features like insulated cores, weather stripping, and energy-efficient glass, which reduce heat transfer and help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, translating to lower energy bills. Appeal to energy-conscious buyers. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly desirable to today's homebuyers. A more energy-efficient home can increase your property's value and make it more appealing on the market. Increased security and peace of mind. The security of your home is critical, and upgrading to a new, high-quality door can provide an added layer of protection. Modern doors often come with reinforced frames, impact-resistant materials, and advanced locking mechanisms, making them more secure than older models. Stronger materials. Affordable doors made from steel, fiberglass, or solid wood provide strength and durability that helps deter break-ins. Advanced locks. Many new doors come equipped with multi-point locking systems or other security features that give homeowners peace of mind and enhance property value. Boost buyer confidence. When buyers see a secure, well-installed entry door, they feel more confident about the home's safety, which can be a significant selling point. Reduced maintenance costs. Affordable door installation often involves modern materials that require less upkeep than older wooden doors. Vinyl, fiberglass, and steel doors resist warping, rotting, and other damage, reducing the need for regular maintenance and repairs. Low-maintenance materials. These materials can withstand Columbia's varying weather conditions and stay looking great for years with minimal care. Cost savings. Reduced maintenance means fewer expenses and headaches for you and potential buyers, making your property more attractive. Increased property value and ROI. Investing in affordable door installation can offer a high return on investment, ROI. According to industry studies, replacing your front door can recoup a significant portion of the cost when you sell your home. This makes it one of the most cost-effective ways to increase property value. High ROI. A relatively small investment in door installation can add significant value to your home and make it stand out in a competitive market. Faster sales. Homes with energy-efficient, secure, and visually appealing doors are more likely to attract buyers and sell faster. Improved interior comfort and noise reduction. In addition to boosting curb appeal and security, new doors can enhance indoor comfort by minimizing noise from outside. This is particularly important for homes located near busy streets, schools, or commercial areas. Soundproofing features. Many affordable doors offer soundproofing properties that keep unwanted noise out, making your home a more peaceful retreat. Enhanced comfort. Better insulation means fewer temperature fluctuations and reduced drafts, resulting in a more comfortable living environment. Affordable customization options. Affordable doesn't have to mean basic. Many budget-friendly door options allow for customization, such as glass inserts, decorative panels, and unique hardware. These custom touches add character and can make your home more memorable to potential buyers. Professional installation for long-lasting benefits. Even the best door won't perform well if it's not installed properly. Professional door installation ensures a perfect fit, airtight seal, and long-lasting performance, protecting your investment and maximizing the benefits. Final thought. Affordable door installation is a simple yet powerful way to boost the value of your Columbia property. By improving curb appeal, enhancing energy efficiency, increasing security, and reducing maintenance, a new door can make your home more appealing and valuable. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to enhance your living space, upgrading your doors is a smart investment with long-lasting benefits. Reach out to a trusted professional installer today to explore your options and make the most of this impactful home improvement project.